The Chevy Tahoe anti-theft system is one of those features you never really think about until your car refuses to start, lights flash, and the dashboard shows that ominous padlock icon. Suddenly, you wish you'd paid more attention to the owner's manual. Let's be honest, nothing gets the adrenaline pumping like your perfectly fine Tahoe deciding you're a potential car thief. One misplaced key fob, a weak battery, or even just swapping out a radio can trigger the anti-theft system. It's infamous for false alarms. People think, I'll just restart the car. Nope, the system is stubborn. You need to perform a reset, which is both simple and infuriating. Don't worry, you don't need to be a mechanic. Most people manage it with just their fingertips and a bit of patience. If your Tahoe won't start and the security light is flashing, that's your clue. Step 1 is to insert the key and turn it to on without starting the engine. The security light will illuminate and may blink. The trick here is to wait and do nothing. Timing is everything. Leave the key in the on position for 10 to 15 minutes. Don't touch the wheel, the pedals, or other buttons. Seriously, pretend you're defusing a bomb. The blinking security light should eventually turn solid or turn off. When the security light turns off, that's your green light for action. Turn the key to off and wait a few seconds. Count to 5 slowly if you want to feel dramatic. You're halfway there, and statistically, most Tahoe owners crack at this point. Repeat the process 2 more times. Yes, 3 cycles of on for 10 to 15 minutes each. If you're doing the mental math, that's up to 45 minutes of your life spent staring at your Tahoe dashboard. Productivity hacks fail when your car thinks you're a thief. After the final cycle, turn the key to off one last time. Then, with hopeful optimism or quiet resignation, start the engine. Most times your Tahoe will fire up like nothing ever happened. If not, see Step 1 and consider therapy or a Chevy dealership. Pro tip, always check your battery health. A weak battery throws off the anti-theft system. If your voltage drops below 12 volts, the car might think it's being tampered with. A $20 multimeter can save you hours in the driveway questioning your life choices. A lot of owners get stuck because their key is worn out. If your reset fails, try your spare key. Sometimes it's the key chip that's failing, not the security system itself. Dealers love selling keys. They should really send us thank you cards. So why does this happen? Well, Chevy's anti-theft system is basically your overly suspicious friend. Useful when there's real trouble, annoying when you're just minding your business. In the US, car theft rates dropped by 42% after anti-theft tech became standard. So I get it. It's nice to live in a world where your Tahoe tries to protect itself from theft, even if it sometimes protects itself from you. If you take anything away, it's this: patience, a good key, a healthy battery, and the ability to outstare a flashing dashboard light.